O tara! Beautiful, makinarya.
Tara na at maglasunan, baby.
Hoy! Hoy! Darling, again and again, meron tayong isa pang unboxing. Nami Stellar Max. Ito yung dual motor version nung una natin in-unbox, yung Stellar Base. So, huwag natin patagalin. Atake, darling. Atake.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know.
So, na-fully charge na natin yung Stellar Max natin, Nami Stellar Max. So, first time natin makikita yung dashboard nito. Yung dashboard kasi nito, iba sa Nami Klima, Blast and Burn. So, first look, live reaction, kung ano yung itsura ng dashboard. So, i-speed test tayo in a while. So, quick look ng cockpit niya. Meron tayong handle grip, hydraulic brakes. Ito pa lang si Stellar Max. Yung dual motor is naka-hydraulic brakes na. Meron tayong thumb throttle, signal lights sa harap. Ito yung bagong dashboard for Nami Stellar only. Wow! Iba yung ano yung boy, oh. Iba rin yung control cluster niya, yung gear changing, power button, and yung mode button. So, andito yung hydraulic brakes natin, tsaka handle grip ulit. So, ba't ito tinatap? Ano ito dito? Ano, buksan mo na? Take two. Ayan. So, long press natin yung power button. Tapos, sa top natin sa screen tong NFC. Bam! Chiki bam bam! Beautiful, makinarya. So, makikita nyo, meron tayong speedometer, odometer, battery bar, yung modes andyan, saka yung Nami NFC na logo. So, yan yung few differences niya sa Klima Blast Burn natin. Yung dashboard iba, saka yung control cluster. Saka yung NFC, diretso dun sa dashboard. Tingnan natin modes. Ayan, nagpapalit. Hanggang 1, 2, 3 lang siya. Unlike si Klima Blast Burn natin, 5 yung modes niya. Ito hanggang 3 lang. Beautiful, makinarya. So, quick specifications run lang tayo bago natin i-speed test dun sa road malapit sa amin. No? So, nasabi ko na yung cockpit, meron tayong headlight dito at signal lights. Ayan, signal, oh boy. Harap-likod, ang ganda. Pwede mo gawing hazard. Headlight. Bam, beautiful, makinarya. Ha? So, itong puti pala, daytime running lights to, no? So, nakabukas na yan pagbukas nyo ng unit. So, pababa dito, meron tayong full body alloy yan, made of alloy, forged alloy. Tapos meron tayong C-type suspension dito sa baba, may axle caps, may reflector. Meron tayong dual motor dito sa Stellar Max natin. Total peak wattage is 5,040 watts. Powerful machine that can run up to 60 kph max speed. Meron tayong tubeless tires, 9 inches tubeless tires, CST brand, tried and tested by many. Tapos dito sa kabila, meron tayong hydraulic brakes, Logan brand. Meron tayong 140mm rotor discs. Yung haba ng handlebar. Meron tayong 27 inches, no? Napakahaba. So, meron tayong deck dito. Meron tayong grip tape, nakasulat Nami Stellar. Meron tayong footrest and foot peg sa likod. Pwede yung apakan yan kung gusto nyo. Then dito makikita yung charging port. Ganito yung flagship ng Nami. Automatic closing. Ayan, automatic closing charging port. Andiyan yung Nami logo natin. So, deck size naman, length times width tayo. Meron tayong 18 inches by 8 inches. So, very compact tong model na to. Hindi sobrang laki, hindi sobrang bulky. Doon naman sa likod, nandito makikita yung fenders natin, tail light, signal lights. Buksan natin. Okay, yan yung tail light. Signal lights. Itong sa likod, reflector na kala kumiilaw. So, yan yung hydraulic brakes natin ulit. 9 inches CST tubeless stars. Again, isa pang malakas na motor sa likod. Then, C-type suspension. No? So, this unit is very compact and foldable. No? So, kung gusto nyo i-fold, yung meron ditong lever, luwagan nyo lang. Mayam, akit nyo to. Yan. Tapos, baba nyo to. Meron tayong hook. Okay? First time nila maglagay ng ganitong hook sa Nami model. So, si Nami Stellar ay maganito. I-hook nyo to dito sa may step plate footrest. Yan. Bam! Meron tayong weight na 30 kilos net weight ng Nami Stellar Max. No? So, very compact, very portable, powerful, that can run up to 60 kph max speed. Wow! Unfold nyo, tanggalin nyo yung hook, akit nyo to, baba nyo to, higpitan nyo yung lever. Wow! It takes approximately 10 hours para ma-full charge yung battery natin. Meron naman tong distance na kaya itakbo, around 80 kilometers. So magkakaroon pa tayo ng range test para dyan. Pero based on paper, 80 kilometers per full charge kaya takbuhin ng Nami Stellar Max. Darling, uulitin ko lang lahat ng Nami models rainproof. Pwedeng maulanan. Okay? Okay. So next testing natin, acceleration naman ng Stellar Max natin, yung dual drive. Bago tayo mag-speed test, no? Tsaka yung handling niya, in general kasi pag mas magaan yung unit, mas maliit, mas mabilis yung handling, mas mabilis iliko. Woo! Uy! Woo! Powerful boy, powerful. Woo! Malakas. Powerful boy. Mega powerful. Tara. So next stop natin si Nami Stellar Max naman for speed test. Target speed natin is 60 kph. Dito ulit tayo sa Cabana, Abad Santos, malapit sa amin. So yun lang yung target. Let's go. Okay, naka 2 runs tayo ng speed run. Titingnan natin ngayon yung top speed natin. Again, target natin 60 kph since yun yung advertised. Mga idol, meron tayong 57.5 kph nakuha. Alright, so definitely abot yan ng 60 kph dun sa advertised speed. So ito, motor stamp of approval, 57 kph. Tried and tested by Erjan Gregory. So meron tayong stock speed na 57 kph. Okay, again, yan yung proof. Makikita nyo naman. Beautiful, powerful machine. Nami Stellar Max. Nami Stellar Base and Max are available now at Motor EVP. Open kami daily from Monday through Sunday, 10 AM hanggang 6 PM. Nasa Waze and Google Maps kami, Motor Electric Vehicle Philippines, a bit away.
Thank you for watching the video. Nagbebenta kami dito ng electric scooters, unicycles, and bicycles. Brand new and used. Meron dito sa Motor EVP. Nagre-repair din kami ng mga units. Kung gusto nyo bumisita, address and contact number andyan sa screen. Message nyo na kami. A bit away.